Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Ram, guys. I'm talking generation 2015 all the way to currently 2021 maybe. If you need to remove or replace key fob battery, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. If you need to buy replacement battery, we'll explain how to do that as well. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. Now, if you guys have a Dodge Ram, especially with a 3.6 engine, we just got this Dodge Challenger that practically uses the same engine and the same 8-speed transmission like multiple Dodge Ram pickup trucks. So if you have any questions about mechanicals or electricals, let us know. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be making hundreds of videos, guys. So now this is the key. It's the same as on the Dodge Ram. The only difference will be the case will be just right here. You have a little bit of a different design, but everything is exactly the same, guys. Even the internals are the same on most Dodge Ram and Dodge Challenger or Charger keys. How you change the battery? You slide that thing to the side. Okay, you can see right here, slide it to the side, then pull the physical key out. You want to make sure that you don't have the rings right here with a keychain holder or anything like that, because the two pieces will come apart. You're going to get a screwdriver, and right here you're going to separate both pieces to get apart. Check it out, like that. Then I go a little bit, not too much, because you can damage your casing. Just go a little bit and it will open. Super important now, clean your rubber seal here, because you have dust and contamination there, so it can reseal correctly. You get a small screwdriver and you pop the battery loose on this side. Be careful not to damage that connection here. Just go ahead. Okay, pull it out. Get the replacement battery if you need to buy one. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. You go from this angle here. Then you align everything correctly, okay, and start pushing down slowly. It will be tight because of the seal, especially if it's a newer key. And go ahead and install the key. You're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.